Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rebecca. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve Cambridge IGCSE ICT practical exam paper. This is October-November 2024 exam paper 3. So we're going to look at the web authoring task. Okay. You will create a web page to help trainees learn HTML. Open the Stylesheet n24web.css in an editor. Okay, so I'm going to open Microsoft Expression. So to open the file open. Here we go to our source file. Okay, so this is the CSS that we have provided. Add a new class called red and set the font color to hexadecimal code for red when this class is up. So to apply a new style, new style. So the name of the style is red. Okay, so when we apply style, okay, you should start with the selector should start with dot red. Okay, so the color should be red. I'm going to choose the color red. So we have a new style. Color is red. Okay, add a new class called center, and that center aligns text when the class is up. Okay, so a new class is called center, and need to make it align center. So it is center. So we have the class center. Save your style sheet. You take a screenshot to show of your style sheet and place this in your document. Make sure all the contents are visible. To save, okay, so that we can screenshot at once. I need to remove the space. Okay, so then I can screenshot. Okay, this is step 13. Okay, step 13. Evidence, step 13. Okay, open and examine the web page called n24web. Okay, so we need to open n24. Open the wrong one. Okay, n24 n20. Okay, this one. Table has been created. This web page appears like this. Okay. Each table cell in this diagram is identified with a letter. It must not appear on the final web. It says each table is identified with a letter. Okay, from what I'm seeing here. Okay, the letter is not in the HTML. Okay, but it's just given here for us to know the cells. Okay, edit the HTML so that table border does not appear on the final web. Okay, so we don't want border to appear. So here we have to have border. So our border will be set to 0. Replace the text a candidate, this text with your name, center number, and candidate. Okay, so go to the design view. This text, we need to replace it with our name, center number, and candidate. Set all the text in cell A into style H1. Cell A to style H. So this is cell A, H1. Set the text web development layers in cell B in style H2. Cell B, style. So all this text, H2. Sorry, not all the text, only web development. I will just go to the code. So this text, H2. Text. So if you go to the code view, you see text is. Set all other paragraphs of text in cell B in style H3. So all other paragraphs. So each this of this will be style H3. H H. Okay. Apply the class red to only the text, these three texts. So we're going to apply class red because those three texts. Okay, so this text, my style, class red. The second one also. Third one. So if we go to the, so you should. Okay. Now set the text in cell C and to style H2, a class set to red. In cell C and D, these two cells. Okay, these two cells, it has to be style H2, and then it has to be, the class is red. So H2, H2 class is red. So if you go to the code, see the class has been applied and the style also is. Set both paragraphs of the text in cell B into style H3 with a class set to center. So both paragraphs. So that means this web page edited by. So I'm going to go to the code, page edited by. This has to be set to H3. H3 as centered is applied. Also this H3 as centered is applied. So it should look like this. Set the first line of the text in cell F into paragraph. Set the other 3 paragraphs in cell F as a bullet. Set the first line of the text in cell F into paragraph. Okay, in cell F, the first line. So the first line would be make sure that you can, okay, so let's go to, so this has to be set into paragraph. Okay, it's a paragraph. And the next is set the other 3 paragraphs in cell F as a bulleted list. So bulleted list, so this would be an ordered list. Has to be. So I'm just going to type for myself. I. Okay, this also li. This also li. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Okay, set the title of the web page to web program tips. Title of the just go to the code title. So the title is not given. Just have to write the title. Yes. Okay, so title. Okay, so that's it. Then it says in the HTML, set the name of the default target window. Okay, the name of the default target window to self. Okay, so basically you can just write this by yourself in the head tag. You can just type the code. Base. Okay, so the target is self. The bracket. That's it. Okay, set the text in cell C as a link to open this web page. Text in cell C. Cell C is this cell. So this cell, this text. Okay, so hyperlink. Need to link file before HTML. This file. Okay, that has been linked. Set the text in cell D as a link to open the web page 24N24 CSS in a new window called blank. Okay, so that should be the CSS. So it needs to link to CSS, this file, this web page. Okay, and then we need to set the target frame. The target frame is blank. Okay, blank. And that's done. Now, place metadata in the appropriate section of your HTML. So define the chassis set as UTF-8 and then add a description of the web page. So for UTF-8, so we are going to be having it's going to be chassis UTF-8. Then we are going to also have, for the second metadata, we're going to have name. Okay, the name will be description. Then the content will be description of the web page. So let's do this first one. So in the head tag, in the head section, meta. So our meta chassis is UTF-8. Then close. For the second one, we have meta. So meta name. The name will be description as given in the. Then the description, okay, which will be content. So the question says the content will be a description of the web. So what is this web page about? Okay, this web page is about how to you will create a web page to help trainees learn HTML. Okay, the web page to help trainees learn HTML. So that should be the description. That's done. Save your web page. Take a copy of your HTML source and place this in your evidence document. Okay, so save. Place a copy in your evidence. So this will be step 21. Okay, step evidence, step 21. Okay, display your web page in a browser if necessary. Besides it so that the entire page is seen, all text that can be easily read, the address bar is fully visible. Take screenshot evidence showing your web page browser. Place this in your evidence document. Page browser. So we need to adjust the settings to ensure that all contents are fully visible. So this is fine. See, all content are fully visible. Okay, so I'm going to just make this 50. So all the content are fully visible, and the title of our browser is displayed. Okay, and also the web address should be visible. So I'm going to take a screenshot, paste this in evidence document. So this is going to be step 2. So step 2. Okay, so that's all for this exam paper. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.